Hi lovely friends, welcome back to my channel at Malabal Nani Art and Craft. So today I am back with a video. So as you all know that the Holi is around the corner, the festival of colors and so much beautiful festival. So I thought an idea to share how to make greeting card for Holi festival. So let's get started with the procedure, but before starting don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And sorry for the discontinuous posting of the videos because of the busy schedule. So today I'm making the video and I will be sharing you the video. So let's begin. But before starting, I want to tell you that please don't forget to like, share and must subscribe my channel, and I want your love and support. So please keep commenting, subscribing and liking my videos, and please press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's move to the procedure. So for making the greeting card, I am taking here orange color thick cardstock and this one colorful paper, or you can make the holy effects using oil pastel, and I have done the same using the oil pastel. I have created this effect, so let's make it. Now take here a sticky tacky tape in color one shade, as I'm using here a golden color shade. So now just add this tape on the top, bottom and front, and on the right and left corners, and just cut the excess tape. So it is done. I have applied tape on all the sides. Now let's stick it, and just take the size of the paper little smaller than the cardstock of orange color. As I am creating here holy card, so I have preferred color in bright shades like orange for the bottom base. Now just take here a glue and add glue to the back of the effects one paper. If you don't have oil pastels, you can use acrylic paints or simple watercolor paints, and just stick it on the cardstock base like this. See how beautiful it is looking and shiny. Now take here one pink color paper, square paper of size 6 by 6 centimeter. Now just using scissor trim the edges in the circular way like this from all the four corners like this. And now we will create here a flower, means rose. Now just slowly make zigzag pattern over the sheet like this, and just don't thin the distance between it like this, and just trim it up to the center unless it is getting small. Now see, it is getting in the circular way properly, as much as it's this much. Now just take here a quilling stick or a quilling tool and just roll it. If you don't have this stick, you can use toothpick or any other pointed thing, or also you can use your fingers to roll it, but the quilling stick will easily roll it in the faster way like this. And just roll it up to the end like this, and just remove it from the stick, and just add glue to the bottom of the rose like this, and just stick it, and just little bit loosen in your hand. So here your beautiful cute spiral rose is ready. So let's decorate the greeting. So here I have created 5 rows, 2 of pink color, 1 light purple and 2 yellow. So let's decorate the first inner parts of the greeting. So let's begin. Now take here a A4 size white color sheet like this, and just add glue to the front part on the four sides and four corners like this. And just stick this sheet inside and just press it and stick it. Similarly, apply glue on the other side of the sheet like this, and just stick it too again. Now take here some heart DIY cutout. You can prefer any size according to your preference. Now just fold it like this into half and just add glue to one of its edge or side face which faces the front, and now just stick it with the yellow one like this, like this. See, now just add glue again to its another face or side like this, and just stick it with the pink one. Similarly, I have created here one more heart piece with the purple in the front like this, and here I have created green in the front like this. So let's decorate inside part. Now take here one piece of yellow color paper and just fold it into half like this, again like this, and again like this, like this, and just mark our creases all where. So now just using the ruler, just draw a triangular shape on the paper like this, and just I'm cutting it with the scissor. When you will cut this, you will get so many triangles in one cut like this. See, and just cut it from the center and divide it into two triangles like this. So nearly around 6 triangles you are required here with like this. So 6 triangles are ready. Now take here black marker or sketch pen, and I am writing here some beautiful letters in the beautiful writing like this. See, like this. So I am writing here it's holy on every triangle like this in beautiful writing like this. So you can write any other wish, whatever you like, as I'm creating this card for the Holi festival, so I am writing here Holi. So yeah, it is done. Now let's stick them. So now add glue to the back of the heart like this, and just stick it in the card in the center like this, and just on the other side stick another heart. Now take here white color thread or wool and just stick it below the heart which you have sticked earlier like this to the other heart. So one by one just start sticking the letter on the thread according to the order like this. So similarly stick another letters. So yeah, it is done. See how cute it is looking. So now let's decorate the outer part quickly. and just start sticking the roses accordingly as you have created them. Like this. So yeah, it is done. And I'm sticking some stars in the card for the decoration. Like this. Now I am writing here the sentiment Happy Holi on the card. Like this. So see, I have stick one ribbon bow on the top corner, and here I am sticking one pearl in the center to enhance its look. So your beautiful Holi greeting card is ready, and more Holi DIY video are on the way. So I hope you all guys like the video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you the way. See. So it is done. Thank you. I hope you all guys liked it. Please comment down the request video, and I'll be watching your comments, and I'll be waiting for your comments. Thank you. Till then, bye bye. We'll meet soon in the next video. Love you guys.